Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable dual connection for your headphones JBL Tune Beam. So just keep one earbud from the case, and after that it automatically enters to pairing mode, but if it doesn't, just press one time and then press and hold on the button and it enter to pairing mode. So let's test it. I just click one time and then press and hold. It said that it's pairing, so click on the pair a new device on your second device and on your headphones. Pair. And here we go, we just did it. Thank you for watching. Oh, I'm so sorry. If you want to remove it, because two devices is maximum for the dual connection, just click on the settings icon or information icon and forget device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!